What's up? My name is Joe, and well, it's been a while since the last upload, but nevertheless, let's get started. I guess you all know that kind of situations when it's raining, it's cold outside, and it's all over cloudy, and that for weeks. Well, at least that is what's happening in Germany right now. We got like 2 sunny days in the last couple of months, so yeah, that is quite annoying. But I said fuck it and went out with my Pentax 645 and some Ilford Delta 100 and went shooting on the neighborhood fields, and I was looking for some power lines and trees to take some long exposures. My goal was to create moody and minimalistic images. Overcast days are perfect for this because the light is soft and even. There are no harsh shadows, which works well for black and white photography. I used the 55mm lens on my Pentax 645, which gives a nice wide perspective. For the film I used Delta 100, like I said, because it's fine-grained and has a great tonal range. It's perfect for capturing subtle details in the cloud and in the landscape. Well, one challenge I had to face. I forgot my cable release, which made it pretty difficult to shoot those long exposures, because I had to press the shutter manually, which caused sometimes the camera to shake. Well, and yeah, it shaked. So overcast days might not seem exciting for photography, but they can be a great opportunity to experiment with some long exposures and minimalistic compositions. It's all about working with the conditions you have. So yeah, I tried to get some pictures of power lines and trees and try to isolate them by just taking a long exposure so the clouds move and you get those what's it called, like those cloud trails or whatever you want to call it, and it isolates the subject quite well. Well, after developing and scanning the pictures, I realized that I might have fucked up some of them because of the forgotten cable release. So yeah, overall I got like 3 or 4 pictures that turned out quite well, and one of them is this one here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I also will show it on screen, and I quite like it because it just is this harsh contrast between the power pole, what do you call it, and then there's like 3 ways of the cables, the cable lines go, and yeah, along with the moving clouds, it works quite well, I guess. Got like some nice lines, one from the bottom to the top more or less, then one from the left to the right, and yeah, I guess that works quite well. Also, let me put this one back. Also, I got the other 3 ones here. This one is the tree I captured quite early. That could be quite a cool scene, especially because the clouds are moving quite fast. The only negative point could be that the tree itself is moving also quite much. So we will see. We have to see what it looks after developing and scanning. And I mean, yeah, you can see that the trees are moving and you got some motion blur in the trees, but I quite like it. It creates like a dreamy look, and with those moving clouds and like those, I don't know, can you call it cloud trails? Never mind. With those moving clouds and the moving branches and stuff, you get like a nice composition and a nice dreamy look overall. I quite like this one. Also, the very first one I took was the picture of the church. And yeah, same here, you got like a good contrast in it, you got those moving clouds, you get the church as a main subject, and I guess it works quite well. It's a cool picture, I like it. And the last picture, I don't know exactly if I like it or if I don't like it, is this one here. I will also blend it in. I will also show it on screen, not blend it in. Fucking German. Yeah, those power lines, there's a good contrast, you can't see the ground really. The clouds have some motion blur in it, and yeah. And in the back you can still see some more detailed clouds and some lower clouds, and yeah. It creates also quite a cool dramatic look, and I also pretty like it. So yeah, those are the 4 pictures I like pretty well. I also took some pictures double, or also I tried to take one picture a third time, because I wanted to take it for like 1 minute instead of 15 seconds like the other pictures. But yeah, without the cable release it's quite difficult to do it. And yeah, so a lot of those pictures turned out quite blurry, and I can't quite use them, unfortunately. But yeah, overall I'm glad that I went out and tried to took the experience, and yeah, next time I just take my cable release with me and it should be quite much better. Yeah, overall that's my opinion. It went quite okay, I guess. I got a couple of pictures I quite like. The other ones, yeah, it is what it is. And yes, also I got some video ideas upcoming about, I don't know if you can see it right here, it's a ISO 800 film of a disposable camera I bought on eBay Kleinanzeigen, the Craigslist of Germany. Maybe you are interested in this. Also, I got a new film stock from Agfa Photo, the Agfa Color 400. Maybe you're also interested in this one. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Also, I got one more topic of upcoming videos. This one here. It's the Praktica FX. Yeah, it's quite a story, but that's also a topic for the next video. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss it. And if you like that video, please hit the like button. And yes. So let me know in the comments what is your go-to project for cloudy and bad weather photography. And yeah, that's it for today. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.